What's up, everyone? So I bought this for about like $20. It's a very good grinder. I have a couple of hand grinders like this. This one, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I think it's Dumore hand grinder, model 10 or category number 10-321. I think they call them model 10 based on what I found on YouTube. But I couldn't find that much stuff about it or how old it is. I found few from the actual company who sells these, and this was actually quite expensive. Everything works actually; it runs well, but I have to change the the carbon brushes, and I told myself, why not just to clean it up, repaint it, and change everything. So I'm just gonna show you how it's gonna run. It's gonna be a bit loud. It takes some time to stop. So let's see what's inside. Finally able to take this out. Man, it's so difficult. Ooh. Finally. I couldn't put this inside, and I had to use a hand file to remove reduce the space, or make it widen a little bit so I can change this. Finally. Okay, so I tried to remove this, but I couldn't. And I found out there's a screw here, well, was. But I can change this with a different nut. Alright, so I removed this, but I broke the wings, whatever you call it. But man, I didn't expect it to be this difficult to get removed. Remove this. Alright. Okay. Alright guys, so I put it back together. I was just trying to see if it works or not, but it wasn't working. No matter how many times I switched, use this switch on and off, push it on and off, it never worked. And I'm colorblind, so obviously I made a mistake with my wiring, and this color should have been ground. That's what I'm thinking right now. This is my second attempt, so I cut everything again. Now I'm gonna solder them back again together. Hopefully this time works. And I made another mistake. The one that I broke, I didn't have a replacement for it, and as I was putting it inside this, I broke these as well. So that's great. So now this means there won't be a good air ventilation in here. I don't know what to do. For now I'm just going to close it, and then maybe in the future I get to find one and replace it. But I might be able to make it with a 3D printer. I'm just not that good to make these kind of designs. And I went online to its actual website. They don't have this model. I mean, they have one similar, but not this specific one. Hope it doesn't blow up. Okay. There you go. Oh, hell yeah. Nice. So the wiring was the problem, which was my fault. What's up, everyone? So this project is over. I made a few mistakes, unfortunately, but it's working for now. I'm not gonna use it temporarily until I fix the blades inside. So I lost this pin, so but that's okay. But the blade that I broke was because I just didn't know how to take it apart from here. I couldn't remove it, and I was too excited. When I get too excited, I stop paying attention, and that's when I make mistakes. I broke it. I put it back with super glue. It didn't work, and my next plan is to make one with the 3D printer. Right now it's working. It has few blades inside, but that one will prevent it from getting hot. And this Dumore hand grinder, it's pretty good actually. Online I found one brand new, but it was very expensive. This one I got it cheap. I'm just gonna show you how it runs. It's pretty good for polishing, I think. I have one more bigger than this, different brand, but I like these guys. This one is pretty good for installing it, attaching it to the lathe bed, and use it with lathe. It's pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching.